Are you gonna say sorry? Is us. And we're gonna plan to blow up this building because all these animals they have been killing, and we. What? Okay, let's find the bomb. This is the guys that are gonna die. Okay. Okay, let's find the bombs. We have to find the bombs. We have to find them. Wait. Okay. We're sneaking. I don't know why, but we're holding guns. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay. I was playing bombs, but it won't hit me a little fast. Guys, where's the camera? Okay, so now we're gonna have to say goodbye. We are gonna book it out of this. We gotta get out of here quick. Adios, amigos. Oh my gosh. Tanny, you can set the timer.